Hello viewers, welcome to this new video. If you're looking for a portable projector with an excellent sound and an amazing battery life, keep watching. And it's available on Amazon. Friends, don't forget to comment on what projector you would like to see in our next videos. Let's go. The ViewSonic M1 Plus is an IF award-winning, ultra-portable LED projector that can deliver a convenient, enjoyable entertainment experience anywhere it goes. The ViewSonic M1 Plus short-throw lens creates a super-sized 100-inch image, short-throw, project a 100 inches image from approximately 8 feet 9 inches away. Portable projector capable of up to 1080p Full HD resolution. Its 300 lumens of brightness can produce images up to 100 inches diagonal in low light conditions, and its 120,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio will help enhance dark areas of the image. With a built-in battery, you'll get up to 6 hours off a full charge when the device is unplugged. Battery life varies depending on usage and battery mode. You'll have to operate in battery-saving mode, which will dim the overall brightness of the picture quite significantly, from the regular 300 lumens under normal power consumption to roughly half of that. A LED light source with up to 30,000 hours of lifespan, the M1 Plus can deliver years of multimedia entertainment wherever it goes, from room to room, both inside and outdoors. Its smart stand enables simple 360-degree setup, while doubling as a lens cover. Once the lens is uncovered, the projector automatically powers onto full brightness for instant entertainment. The lens also includes a safety auto-off feature that powers down the projector when objects are detected too close to the lens. All packaged into less than 1 kilogram, the ViewSonic M1 Plus is impressively tiny, measuring just 5.7 by 1.6 by 5 inches, 14.6 x 4 by 12.6 centimeters. Here you'll find a microSD slot and HDMI 1.4 for those who prefer to watch movies and shows through external devices. There's a power port for charging, as well as USB-C and USB-A slots, so there's something for almost every type of connection you could want from a 1080p projector. Stereo Harman Kardon speakers provide room-filling sound for an amplified experience, while more flexible audio needs can be realized via Bluetooth. Integrated Wi-Fi connectivity makes streaming easier than ever. Both wireless casting from smart devices and built-in content streaming are possible. You will get a remote control, power cable, USB-C cable for video transmissions and quick start guide with this projector. The ViewSonic M1 Plus's overall quality is good. It is an affordable choice if you're looking to buy a 1080p capable projector on a tight budget. The great sound and picture quality alone make it so that you'll certainly get your money's worth. If you want to know more, check the link description box. Thanks for watching.